Go to geek4me.com, the easy way to find trusted local tech repair experts near you. Geek4me.com, fast, local and reliable. This is the Endorfy Arx 700 ARGB in white, and while it's technically identical to the black version we reviewed in the past, I can't help but think the white one just pops more. Maybe it's the way the lighting plays off the bright finish, maybe it's just personal taste, but in my eyes it looks cleaner, sharper and somehow more premium. The case is a spacious, high airflow ATX mid-tower built for performance and style, with 4 pre-installed 140mm ARGB PWM fans and a full mesh front panel. Airflow is excellent straight out of the box. The mesh runs edge to edge on the front, with additional fine mesh strips along the sides to keep dust at bay. The white paintwork gives the case a crisp, modern look that blends well with most setups, whether you're going for a minimal, aesthetic or a full RGB showcase. On the left you'll find a 4mm thick tempered glass panel with a border. The right side panel is solid metal, keeping the back side nice and tidy. Up top there's a built-in mesh panel for extra ventilation, secured with a rear thumb screw for easy removal. The I/O includes one USB Type-C port, 2 USB Type-A ports, separate headphone and microphone jacks, a power button and a LED control button, which can be also set as a reset button if you prefer. Around the back it's a standard layout with 7 expansion slots and a bottom mounted PSU position. Underneath, the case stands on 4 anti-slip feet with a full-length magnetic PSU dust filter. One thing to note though is that the filter is both magnetic and slidable, which can make it a little fiddly to refit. The 4 included ARGB fans are set up as 3 front intakes and 1 rear exhaust. They spin between 200 and 1200 RPM, keeping noise low while still providing decent airflow. The fan support is generous. On the front you can have either 3 120 or 3 140mm. On the top you can also have 3 120 or 2 140mm fans. On the rear a 120 or a 140, and on the PSU shroud you can have 1 120mm blowing directly up towards the GPU. And for liquid cooling support it covers radiators up to 360mm on the front and top, or a 120 or 140 on the rear. Storage options include 4 2.5-inch mounts behind the motherboard tray, 2 more on the PSU shroud, and a combo mount at the case floor for either a 2.5 or 3.5-inch drive. Cable management is also excellent thanks to its 6 rubber grommeted cutouts, which also have a changeout between colours, so you can have white or black. There are 2 cutouts at the top, 3 beside the motherboard and 1 on the PSU shroud for GPU power cables. 2 things to note: this case does not support back mounted motherboards, as in where you can plug in your cables on the back of the motherboard, and the cabling in the white case is mainly black. The case arrives in a sturdy brown cardboard box. Inside it's well protected with thick polystyrene end caps and a foam layer over the tempered glass. Inside the box you get the user manual, all necessary screws, a few single-use cable ties and obviously the case itself. We like the black version of the case when we reviewed it before, but the white version, it just has that extra wow factor. The contrast between the bright finish and the ARGB lighting makes the fans stand out more, and it really elevates the overall look. Functionally, nothing has changed. You still get great airflow, a roomy interior, excellent radiator and fan support, and enough cable management to keep even complex builds tidy. The pre-installed fans are quiet, though airflow could be boosted further if you swap them for higher RPM models. If you want a large, stylish and highly compatible case, and you like your setups bright and clean, the white Endorfy Arx 700 ARGB is definitely worth considering. I hope you enjoyed this video, and no, I did. Why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here, or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.